In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster to your Apple Wallet. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this process when you sign into your Ticketmaster account inside of the app and you select an event. So all you have to do is open up the latest version of the Ticketmaster app and then select My Events through the bottom menu. You should see a list of all of your tickets, and all you have to do is select the one that you would like to add to your Apple Wallet. When you click on the event, the ticket should be displayed, and if you scroll down, you will eventually find the Add to Apple Wallet button, as you can see over here. When you click this button, you will be immediately redirected to your Apple Wallet, where you can double check the ticket, and at the top right corner of the screen, you will have the option to add the ticket. When you click Add, immediately it will be listed under your Apple Wallet, and you will be able to redeem it from there and use it however you wish. All you have to do afterwards to remove it is to select it from the wallet, manage, and then remove ticket. You can do this as many times as you wish, and you will be able to access the event by using the Apple Wallet app instead of opening up the Ticketmaster app, as long as it is up to date and properly registered within your wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster to your Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.